Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed these mermaid locks over my Microlocs. I've had my Microlocs for about 3 years now, and I have a little bit over 400 locks. I do like to switch it up occasionally, so this is me switching it up. Before I installed my locks, I let my Microlocs grow out maybe 2 inches or so, just so I can have that new growth, that natural look, instead of having the locks poke out of my mermaid locks. Right here, I'm just misting a little bit of water on my new growth just to make it a little bit more manageable. These are the locks that I will be installing. These locks are available on my website. They are handmade by me. Like in the snooze and miss the moment, you're just so important. So for my locks, my parts are not going to be straight, because when I initially installed my Microlocs, parting was not important to me. So as you can see here, my parts will not be straight. I'm okay with the uneven parts. This video is just to show you the technique I use to install my locks over my Microlocs. So once I get the part as straight as I can get it, I'll section this piece into 2 sections, and then I'll take the locks and this lock pomade and twist the locks together. You can either twist it with a 2-strand twist, or you can braid it. So right here, I started the base off by braiding it a few inches down, and then I just finished it with the 2-strand twist. Like you do, you do. Once you get the base of your lock, you'll need this crochet hook to install the locks, some spring twists, and that lock itself. So I'm going to take the crochet hook through the base of the braid and then pull the spring twist here through. I'll begin to wrap it about 4 inches down before I install the actual lock. That just gives it like a knotless or like a less bulky look. To install the pre-made locks, they do have loops at the end, so you'll take the loops between your pointer finger and your thumb, and then you'll take the spring twist hair and pull it through the loop. Once you have the lock, the pre-made lock, and then your locks in one hand and the spring twist hair in the other hand, you'll just wrap all the way down until you get to the end of the locks. When wrapping, I wrap initially kind of tight just to give it that smooth look, smooth knotless look, and then once I add the pre-made lock, I loosen it up just a little bit just to give the lock a more distressed look. So I wanted to add a few more curly pieces. I wanted the curly pieces to start from the base of my lock. So I'll cut the track here off of the weft, and then I'm crocheting it through my Microlocs. Eating cake, wishing that a bitch really got my foot up on their neck is a bitch should. On the front, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga. That means I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That means I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E. Once I have the desired amount of curly pieces added, I'll then go back and add the spring twist hair at the base like I did before and continue to wrap about 4 inches down. Once you get to about 3 to 4 inches down the lock, depending on where you installed the curly piece, you want to stop and actually pull the curly piece out so that you're not wrapping the whole curly piece in the lock. And then you'll want to clip it out of the way so it doesn't get in your way when you continue to wrap. So once you pull that curly piece out, you'll continue to install the lock like normal, but depending on how many curly pieces you've added, you want to continue to keep pulling it out so that you're not wrapping it all the way down into the lock. You'll want to continue to pull the curly pieces out once you get to each curly piece so that you're not accidentally wrapping the curly pieces into the lock. I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. Still worried now, wasted the best of me. All you babe, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy, you focus on me.
That is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
On me. Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.